Okay, guys, so I got the monster. Hello there, little monster. Jesus got him ready for the day today since he didn't go to work early. He changed him. You ready to conquer the day, boys?
Baby Liam, what you doing right there, boy?
He discovered his quesitos already.
You eating your pantuflas, Papa? Well, Mama, it's Ricky editing her video.
Oh,
what?
no. Why did you start crying right now?
Why you start crying,
The
Papa?
whole time.
You're a bad boy, Papa? You're a bad boy? You're a bad boy, huh? You're a really bad boy. Because you're near the camera, Papa. That's why you're crying.
Grocery moment.
That's your mama right there.
Hey, babe. So
Yeah.
estaba viendo this girl that I follow, right?
Yeah.
No crying.
Papa!
Estaba viendo this girl that I follow, and she said that the best way to do a grocery list es que escriba las cosas como por category. ¿Sabes? Como primero vamos a produce. No. Yeah.
Oh, whatever we need from produce.
And then, yeah.
Dairy.
And that way you do your
stuff.
shopping quick y no estás agarrando cosas without. ¿Sí me entiendes?
Knowing what.
Yeah. So that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm planning for the week. Lo que vamos a comer. Okay, I am
Because we
done.
starting, what were we starting, baby?
We started today. Today's the first day of keto.
Keto. Are you doing keto too, Papa? Or you're not doing keto?
Keto leche.
He's doing keto leche.
Keto leche already.
Right, Papa?
Is lemon
Yes,
part of
it
keto? Lemon's yama. I'm
Yeah,
gonna.
Papa.
Oh, you know, can you do me a big favor?
What?
Can you go get me my?
Your what?
My vaso? It's in the car. The Starbucks cup, please.
Oh, server. Go.
So I can drink a little water with lemon moment.
Okay.
I like that booty.
¿No, amor?
Then voy a hacer un cup of water with lemon and ice. Like ice water with lemon.
Oh, your coffee?
¿Tú vas a querer lo mismo que yo?
Yeah, I want the same thing.
Can you get out the butter?
Butter?
Yeah, we can't eat this kind of oil. We have to do
Yeah,
olive
we're
oil.
gonna have to get rid of it.
Well, my mom can use that.
Oh, pues, what's your mom?
A cup of ice y le voy a echar nomás la mitad y la otra mitad la voy a usar para maybe la noche o mañana.
What is that? It's like a jugo, like a...
It's gonna lemon? No, without sugar. Just oh, I need actually los limones amarillos, ¿sabes?
The limes or lemons?
No sé cómo se llaman. Lemons, creo. And me lo voy a tomar.
Oh, just like that? Agua con limón.
Agua con limón.
Oh,
That
okay,
helps
okay.
you a lot, but it needs to be the other lemon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo-y.
I think I quit keto.
You don't like these shit?
Ooh.
It is nasty.
Okay. Let's make ourselves a little breakfast, but we need new sartenes.
Yeah, we need to use that for
Because
sure.
this was
Those are old ones already.
Yeah.
Yeah, go get some.
Yeah, just one sartén, you know? Like a
Yeah.
good sartén. I think I'm gonna do the omelette ahí. That's gonna be for omelette. A little cheese. I wanna get del otro cheese. ¿Cómo se llama?
What cheese?
Cheddar.
Cheddar cheese?
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna go buy some food now, no días?
Yeah, because I want to do a grocery haul, like another video, a grocery haul video. And we need a different kind of bacon too. Primero vamos a cocinar el bacon. ¿Así para los dos o para una persona así?
Yeah, it's good for one.
Really?
Yeah.
What did I get?
We just got some prime, as usual.
Ah, cover my dirección.
Oh, okay.
Cover my address. So we just got mayo, guys. I am addicted to Amazon Prime.
Every single day we get these little packages.
And he's mad
Huh,
at that.
Papa?
He hates me.
Huh, Papa? Your mom is wasting all our money. Mom, why are you wasting our money?
It's because I hate
it's our
going to
money.
the store.
Mom, it's
My
our
son-
money. It's not only yours, Mom. It's mine too. For my lechita. So, were you so crazy, Papa?
4 eggs, bacon, spinach, cheese, and an avocado for each of us. I'm having water and you're having
Coffee.
coffee. Then I got an Amazon package. Let's see what it is.
¿Te filming?
Yeah. So I got him the Spa Baby Natural Bath Sponge. What? Let me see. They look like...
Is it weird, huh?
It looks like something I would be studying in science class. ¿Verdad?
Yeah, it looks weird.
Funny. Look, he's staring at it too.
¿Sí, papá?
Con eso estamos a bañar, estamos a lavar los...
The huevillo, papá.
I'm pretty sure que cuando lo mojas pues it turns soft.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Damn, this is weird. Okay, so we got this for Liam para bañarlo. Uy, I'm gonna wash him.
He wants to see it too.
Mira, chismoso. Qué chismoso eres, Liam.
Come vacacioncito.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what we're making for lunch. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I put inside. So I peeled the shrimp, I washed them, and then they look something like this. I deveined them as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna use my hands for this. Some cayenne, and now I'm gonna take some Old Bay, just a little bit. Some Old Bay seasoning. Also gonna take some paprika. And also some garlic salt. I'm going to squeeze half a lemon or lime, whatever. See? That is it. They're already marinated, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover them and put them in the fridge so we can use them later. No, Smiths, no?
Smiths.
Está muy largas las líneas.
Are they?
Yeah. Where are you going?
Okay, Smiths.
Well, this looks so cool. Look, me just recording you. I should just be a camarographer, huh? For you. We had our first keto breakfast today. ¿Verdad? How did you feel about that?
I mean, I've been doing keto for the past...
No, you have not. Religiously,
yes.
no.
Yes, I have.
No. Ya llegamos.
I got it for... not for... like daily days, you know, my daily life.
Jesus trying to pick some bacon with you see what I mean?
But let's get that one, this
For
one.
the Smiths, we didn't really vlog in there because there was way too much people.
It's ridiculous.
People are panicking buying. But we got some water. They have water at the Smiths right here. Oh, me cansé.
I know, those garrafones were hella heavy. My hands are like...
I'll show you guys what I got. Why do I
arthritis
look hella
fingers.
I'll show you guys what we got once we get home.
Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
So I'm gonna make lunch, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this that we just got. This is the plant butter with olive oil. So I'm gonna use some of this. I'm gonna go ahead and use about this much, which is not a lot. And I'm gonna use the shrimp that I had already marinated. I'm gonna put it on high because I want the shrimp to get a little crust. Nice and hot. I'm gonna go ahead and take 3. 1, 2. gonna be for both of us, for me and Jesus. I'm gonna go ahead and sauce it a little bit. Gonna make some cook. Get a little crispy. Okay, so I didn't even show you guys what I got, but I did get these big strawberries because keto, you can eat strawberries, but I'm only gonna eat like 1 or 2 a day. That's gonna be like my dessert. And then we got the mantequilla that I told you guys with olive oil. Some, what is this? Baby kale. I also got some spinach. We got this bacon, which we can eat because it has no sugar. We also got the nopalitos. And then we also have some salmon here, which I'm not sure when I'm gonna do, but I'll probably marinate it tonight after work. We also have more avocados here, and then we also got some water to stock up because people are going crazy with the water. So I have there a couple out of one.
What you doing, baby girl?
Huh?
What you doing?
Yep.
Yes?
Oh, I'm gonna make a little bit of wok here, and then mira, acá tengo cactus, spinach, tomato, onion, and I don't remember what else I put in there. Jalapenos.
Ooh, all the good stuff.
And then the shrimps are right here. We're just gonna let that cook, but I'm gonna make a little wok.
You make what?
Just a little fast one. No veggies, no nothing, just smash wok.
What about lime?
Yeah, but I'm gonna put some.
How fast can you do it?
You wanna time me?
I'm timing you already. 3 seconds.
Shut up. Jesus is washing the dishes. Being a good house husband. Oh, but I'm done with dinner. I mean dinner. I'm done with lunch.
That's lunch and dinner.
No.
Oh, are you gonna have dinner still?
Maybe.
Damn.
Oh, no se ve. So let me take it with here for you now. So this is what I cooked. I think the lighting is a little bit better here. Kind of looks ugly and messy, but I promise you it's really good. The wok that I made, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grind some on the side. To be keto, this is really good.
This is basically no sugar and no carb, you know? Man, the rest we can eat, basically.
5 paquetes me va a traer.
5?
Son grandes, dice, y de marca.
Ah, cabrón.
X, si quieres.
So what's good, man? With avocado? Food is always good.
Te voy a hacer hasta acá de avocado con nosotros. Bien perrón con verduras y todo. Para la dieta.
I don't call it diet because you see a diet antes, I wouldn't go through, you know? Now I do it like a way of eating.
Yo sí porque it makes me think that I am gonna lose this weight.
For me, diet means like como que I am working on it, you know, like for me it's a lifestyle.
Yeah. That too.
Because I'm trying to do it for a long time, you know? Not for just 3 days. You know? Diet for me is something, no. Oh no. Está chilito, chilito.
I'm making the leftover shrimps que quedaron. And I use the plant butter with olive oil. I'm gonna make something good. I don't want to make too much noise.
I know.
Because Papita just knocked out.
Make you burn.
Yeah. You know what we need to do? We need to drink more water because we don't drink water. That's what I noticed today.
Baby, we don't have water right now. So we're gonna be drinking water.
Can you check if I can eat this?
What is it?
This is the Simple and Wholesome Organic Keto.
Let me check real quick. A ver. It has 28 grams of carbohydrates, babe.
Oh, really?
28 grams. That's a lot of fucking.
Don't know, huh?
¿Qué chingados tiene esta madre o qué?
Oh, ¿tiene menos esto, no? ¿Este cuánto tenía?
The one you were showing me, no?
This one has 27.
27?
Yeah.
Per serving, ¿no? Como un scoop, ¿no? Algo así.
So cannot eat that. ¿Tú vas a querer queso fresco?
A little bit. Just a little bit.
Queso fresco, aguacate, some sour cream. And
I don't want sour cream.
¿Eh?
I don't want sour cream.
Ya no. ¿Tú quieres los greens picados? Digo, cocinados o
Como
fresh?
tú los demás, le voy a dar me conformé. Did we change the other one? The open one?
Check, I think we did, huh?
Yeah.
Just to fill us up for the night.
¿Dónde?
Just to fill us up for the night.
Oh, yeah.
Not too much.
Oh,
huh?
yeah.
Yeah. This is Keto. I wonder if Papito woke up.
No, I really went. He was dead sleep, babe.
I don't like them too cooked, like, you know, too overly cooked. I just like them on point. Tastes hella nasty.
What?
These greens.
What? What is it? Hmm? What is
I think
it?
these are good with like smoothies. Ugh, that tastes so nasty. Baby arugula. I like baby arugula actually.
Yeah, very good. It's good.
It's not the best, but it's alright. You know? I want sour cream, so I'm gonna do sour cream.
Right on.
Yeah, much. Sour cream is good for you.
Yeah, pero no me gusta. I'm not a sour cream type of
Me
guy.
neither, but if I'm trying to eat something that, you know,
You know?
chickeny.
I'm not a sour cream type of guy.
You want cheese?
I'm a cheese type of guy.
I'm gonna take about this much cheese.
Mmm.
Much cheese.
Yeah, that I am.
You want 2 pieces?
I want one. Just one is fine.
This one?
Yeah, okay. It's not already late.
That's
Yeah, you getting 2 peas?
Gotta eat all that protein, remember?
That's not a protein.
Is it? So I started some and we have leftover wok, but maybe we can throw another one in here, huh?
Oh yeah, I should have moved more.
I was gonna marinate this, but I
Mañana.
think I'm gonna marinate this tomorrow because to be honest, I'm tired.
Your lunch is already what, 11 already?
Yeah. Okay guys, so here's what I'm gonna eat. Some sour cream, spinach, arugula, shrimps, two pieces of cheese, and some guac, and then here's his Jesus. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna eat, and then I have to wash these bottles. My husband just finished cleaning, getting Liam's babies ready for the night. And we are done for the day, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we will catch you in the next one.